What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Instagram to your Google Business Profile. So first head over to the Google Business Profiles website by just typing business.google.com. And after that, if you already have an account, you just simply need to sign in with that account by just clicking on the sign in button. Or if you don't have an account, click on get started and then enter all your details. After logging in or signing in, on the left side at the top, you will see the Edit Profile button. Click on this, and after clicking on Edit Profile, a new window of your profile will appear. From here, you just need to come to the contact center, and after under the contact information, you have the option to add social profiles. So hover to this and then click on add. And after that, you just need to select the social profile. Let's say we want to add Instagram. So just select Instagram, and then here you just need to paste the link of your profile that you need to copy from your Instagram. After copying it, just paste it here and then click on save, and then your Instagram will be added to your Google Business Profile. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.